Today I'm going to show you how to make $200 trading like Warren Buffett on Warren Buffett stock Berkshire Hathaway BRK/B. Let's get started and make 200 bucks in the next 10 minutes. So open Tasty Trade, go to Berkshire Hathaway. You can just search BRK/B, it will show up. You just do like this, BRK. Don't pick the one with the A, this is like $500,000 or something like that price. Pick the second one, Berkshire B, okay, and it will open all of this. Now I only care about a couple of things. These are the indicators that I care about that can help me make $200 today, just like Warren Buffett on Warren Buffett stock in less than 10 minutes. I pay attention to the ATR, average true range. This is the price that Berkshire Hathaway moves up or down in the last 14 days on average, and you can see the price $6.20. That means that the price moves about $6 a day on average. Now why I picked this right now? Because now it's down $10, which is 1.5, one and a half the ATR, and that means to me, hey, something is going on. Let's take advantage and get some money into our pocket today. So what do? I take this number 6.19, I multiply this by 8. Why 8? Because if the stock moves so much to the extreme, 8 times the average ATR move in the last 14 days times 8, then yeah, I might buy some stocks if it drops so much. And if it doesn't, yeah, okay, I'll collect 200 bucks. Now, so the price in here is about $50.49. I take this number 442, okay, 442 minus 49, and now I have a range that I know that I can sell put options around $400 on Berkshire Hathaway, collect around 200 bucks in less than 10 minutes, and if the stock doesn't go to this price, that money is mine. If the stock does go to this price, that means that Berkshire Hathaway, I got it for cheap, for 10% discount. Instead of 442, I will buy around 400, and then I will just sell covered calls and be happy with the income from that. So that's one thing. We're gonna look at $400 as our naked put selling. Why I also pay attention is a couple of other things. This indicator, the IVR, okay, the number right now is 70.49. Anything above 50 tells me that the options are expensive and it's a good time to sell options on, because the premium that you will receive as an option seller are what matters. And over 50, it means options are expensive. Be an option seller. Don't gamble on the price if it goes up or down. Just gamble that the price will not go so extreme to the downside. Collect income until it does, but if it does go to the extreme, I'll be happy to own some Berkshire Hathaway at $400. The next indicator that I like to use is this one, TTM. It's not TTM squeeze, it's the filter is ST squeeze, and I only look for green. If it's green, it means that Berkshire Hathaway should theoretically move sideways, not up or down to the extreme, and that's what I'm looking for the stock to do nothing. And if you see here it's in the red, that's a potential squeeze. I don't touch it. And you see here the other indicator is Kettler channels, meaning that also on the extreme I changed the settings to 8 times the ATR. Right now the Berkshire Hathaway is around 460 is the blue line. This is the range, and if it goes, you see here, so extreme to 4 or 5 or 510 on the other side, we are selling around 400. So if it does go to the extreme and drops to about 4 or 5, yeah, we will still be out of the money. How crazy is this? And collect 200 bucks in the process. So let's click on trade. I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. In trade, you see this option trading platform. I'm gonna pick 46 day to expiration, December 20. I skip all the weeklies and I skip the next monthly expiration, which is November 15. I go 46 days out of time, and I've picked, look at this, remember the price that we had, $393 right here. I'm selling the $400 put. You can sell $395 if you want. I just prefer round numbers. When I click on sell, I see that the income that I collect as of now is $200, 201. That's my money. That's my money to keep no matter what happens. Theta decay 7.5, meaning that every day this option we lose about $7.50 of its value. Look at this, POP 92%. There's a 92% chance that this option will expire worthless. Remember, we are selling $400 naked puts, delta of 11, over 1,000 open interest. There's liquidity there. And Berkshire Hathaway is at 442. That's 8 times to the extreme to the ATR move. And if it gets there, yeah, I'll probably get a sign. Be happy to do the covered wheels, cover call wheel strategy, or just hold it for a couple of months or a couple of years. We'll see. It's a forever stock. Collect $200 today. Now here's the beauty of Tasty compared to Robinhood. On Tasty, your BP affected, you need to put $12,000 as collateral on the line to execute this trade. And if you have Robinhood, and to get the same $200, and if you have Robinhood, you would need $40,000. You would need 400 times 100, $40,000 to collect the same $200. I'm collecting $200 now with $12,000 because it's so extreme. If Berkshire Hathaway goes to 400, that Tasty Trade actually acknowledged that and say to yourself, you know what? Do not put $40,000 on the line. Use that money to take other trades, make even more income, and give you the same $200. This is how you use the power of leverage, the power of margin to your benefit. Margin could be risky, or margin could make you $200 every single day if you play the right way. Tasty Trade below. Let's grow this channel. I'll see you next time.